Hi, this is Karthika. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use two-dimensional array in C++. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use two-dimensional arrays in C++. So let me begin the session. What is an array? An array is a series of elements of same data type or same type placed in a continuous memory location that can be individually referenced by adding an index to a unique identifier. Or an array is a collection of identical data types stored under a common name in a continuous memory location. So now what we are going to do, we are going to use a same name or single name where we are going to store multiple values using a term called as index, and that too we are going to store identical data type. So in this way we are going to see two-dimensional array, how we can able to use two-dimensional array. What does mean by two-dimensional? So here where you can see the type, this is a data type and this is an array name, and we have two dimensions, that is rows and columns. If you have only rows, it is called as single dimensional array. If you have rows and column, we can call it as two-dimensional array. For example, integer, the data type is integer, the array name is Sam, and number of row is 2 and number of column is 2. So how many values this array can able to store? 2 into 2, that is rows into columns. So 2 into 2, 4. Now I'm going to assign the value to the array Sam. So Sam 2 of 2 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. How many values I can able to assign? I can assign 4 values. So how these values can be shared or stored inside the array Sam? Let me check out. So the array name is Sam. We have 2 rows and 2 columns. There is a column 1 and column 2, that is 0, 1, and row 1 and row 2, 0, 1. So why we are using 0 instead of 1? Yes, good. Array index always starts with 0. That's why we are using 0, 1. So how to refer this location, array name Sam, 0 of 0. So the 2 will be stored here. And how to refer the next location, Sam 0 of 1. The value 4 will be stored. And now moving to the second row, Sam 1 of 0, 6 will be stored, and Sam 1 of 1, the value 8 will be stored. We are going to implement the same in Eclipse editor, and we are going to check out the values. So in order to open the Eclipse editor, just click the Eclipse editor icon in the desktop in order to open it. So this is a workspace, you know, where we are going to save all our works. It's called as a workspace. And then we want to open a new C++ project. How to open a new C++ project? Go to File, New, C++ project. Once again I repeat this step. Go to File and then go to New and then click on C++ project. When you click on the C++ project, it will take you to C++ project window where you want to provide the project name, any name. So I'm going to use array, and either you can use empty project or hello world C++. If you are going to use empty project, you want to type everything like preprocessor, then hash include, and then you want to type using namespace and followed by the main method. So instead I'm going to use hello world C++ and click finish. So now you can able to see no need to type these things. So that's why I used hello world C++. Here I'm going to do the changes. So first you want to type the same integer. What is the array name? Yes, good, Sam. What is the size? 2 rows and 2 columns. Now you want to assign the values. Let us say 2, 4, 6, 8. So you want to 6, 8. So use semicolon. What is the use of semicolon? The compiler will recognize this symbol. It means that it's the end of the line and it will come down. It will not continue as a straight line. So this is an end of the line. And then so now you have created an array, you have declared an array of integer data type, and array name is Sam, and 2 rows and 2 columns. You assign the value. Now you want to display the value. So how to display? Let us say cout sum of 0 comma 0 equal to, let us say, sum of 0 0, and then followed by a small space, and again I'm going to copy this and paste it. So here it is 0 comma 1, and change it to 1, and here 0 comma 1. So here the first was finished, so I'm going to use ender, so end of the line. So and again, so here now I will change to 1 comma 0. So here change to 1 comma 0, and then this is 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 1. That's it. So now just go to project and build project in order to check for error. So then go to run. So first build project, so no errors, go to run and run project. So now you can see the output. This is a way we can use two-dimensional array in a simple manner. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video.